This is another book that some of you said you'd like for me to read, so I'm going to read it today. It's called There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head. Piggy? Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. He does not look happy. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are love birds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? How many of you have seen a nest with a bird or bird eggs? It's springtime, you might be seeing that soon. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? He does not look happy. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and 1 nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Notice where the birds are now. The end. I hope you enjoyed that book. It's a lot of fun. I don't know about you, but in the morning I hear birds chirping a lot. It's springtime, and so it's pretty cool that we can hear them coming out and singing to us. I hope you can enjoy some of the weather this weekend or this week. Bye.